Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steve Luke. I am the founder of the Forex Trading Academy, one of the most successful trading academies in the country. And what I'm going to do today is take a £100 account and I'm going to 10x that and take it all the way up to £1,000. The link is below for my FX book so you can see that the trades that I take, but I'm going to be fully transparent, record everything to bring this to you to show you how it is possible to massively scale your account. Hey everyone, so I've now set up the account. I've deposited 100 GBP. This is MetaTrader 5, which I'm using the web trader from IC Markets, and then just go over to my FX book as well. You can see here, verified record account, £100 deposited down here today. So keep an eye on this. I'm going to, like I say, go over all the trades that I take and document my journey from £100, 10xing that to 1,000. So I hope you enjoy it. Hey everybody, good morning and welcome back to my 10x challenge. So I just want to show you the first trade that I've taken this morning on my £100 account. I'm looking to get it to £1,000, and you can see at the moment we're running just under, it was 200% profit on this. And you can see I've got a couple of entries here. I'm going to move to break even shortly, but it's based on the EU trade that I've taken this morning, shared this on my IG. And you can see that we've had a nice bearish move this morning in London. Prices come back up to retest, and then we're now dumping to the downside. So this is my ultimate target all the way down here. However, we could see a bounce off the session low, which is from Tokyo. Also, I'm going to secure some profits as price comes down. But yeah, there we go. You can see at the moment now running 204% based on that. And yeah, I'll keep you all updated shortly. We are back. So currently you can see that price is running nice in profit. If I move over to my MT5, you can see 277% that we're running on this trade at the moment. I've got my entries at break even, and here's my TP route down at the bottom, which will give me just under 600% if price hits. However, it's important to bag profits. So given the fact that we've come to this area of support here, and then also you can see, first of all, obviously nice evening star off the 1 hour OB. Price has come back down to this area. Whilst I would like price to come all the way back down to the lows here, we need to be sensible because we don't always know exactly where price is going to go. So if I just now come back to this, I'm going to close this position here. So let's get rid of, this is our weakest position. That is now closed. And then so we've now just got 145% running. Going to the history, there it is bagged as well. So I'll keep you updated. Obviously this will all be on my FX book anyway, but I'll let you know how this plays out. We're either going to come back and take this out at break even, or we're going to hit our take profit. Hopefully we'll hit our take profit, but if not, we've still bagged over 100% for the day and doubled our money on the £100 account. So I'll catch up with you all soon. Hey everyone, so this is day 2. Sorry, I've been away from the charts. I've been trading on the go, but actually it's good for you all to see the fact that we can still make money when we're not sat at our computer. So first of all, what I'm going to do is show you the extra position taken today. We've hit take profit on the previous position. And this is the new trade that I took, the Asia range fill, going down to actually it's a 1 minute that I've taken this on, bear with me. So in terms of the fact that we've opened in London, price has come back up and retested and filled the imbalance that was created in Asia based off our BOS break of structure here, and prices dived all the way down, which was a nice 5.5%. That was on my normal account. However, given the fact that I am trying to flip my account from 100 all the way up to 1,000, so 10x that account, I've leveraged a lot more. This position has also hit target, which is just over 12% on a normal account. But what I'm going to do now is then show you, go to my FX account, my FX book, and you can see we started with 100 and now we're at 837. So I'm only about 153 pounds off the target of 10x in this. Currently up 737% on this account. So stay tuned. I'm going to keep going. In terms of our strategies that we're using, we have a high probability of a nice win rate. Probability is through the roof on this. Profitability is through the roof. Zero drawdown still on this account, trying to get this from 100 to £1,000. So I'll update you again tomorrow if I take any trades. But yeah, really, really nice positions today. This is yesterday's, this is today, the exact same price action. To be fair, I can zoom down to the 1 minute. Yesterday we had a double bottom, price came back up, grabbed the liquidity and absolutely dropped. Same thing that we had today as well. We had a nice, if I just go, I think it was from this point here, we had a triple bottom here, prices come back down, dumped, then come back up, grab liquidity and absolutely melted to the downside. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this. I hope this all makes sense to you. And it just shows that it is possible. Obviously, you need to be careful with your trades, but if your positions and if your areas line up perfectly, then it just shows you can make a lot of money even with the smallest account. So I'll catch up with you all again soon. Hello, hey everyone, I'm back. So it is day 3 today. And again, I've been out from my computer, so I haven't been able to look at the trade and record the trade as it's happening. But what I'm going to do now is go through and show you the third position that I took today on the third day. Is it a win or is it a loss? What do you think? Let me now share my screen and I'll show you. So EU, this is the position taken today. So it was a buy. I closed out my sell positions, as you know, yesterday. So I came to the chart fresh with no positions running. And then the trade that I took this morning was, again, very, very standard Asia trade on the basis of, if I just go to the 1 minute. Okay, so we've made a new high. We have Asia to fill. Prices come all the way back down to the low, which is the low created in Tokyo. We then had a nice break of structure at this point. Prices come back to retest. This is my entry here, retest imbalance, and then absolutely flew to the skies. That was the position. That one move, which was a 5% trade in 4 minutes. However, given that I only had to make about 160 quid, I took this out here on the challenge account when we got to 1,000. So as I've just said, it's done, completed. So from a deposit of £100, I've made £1,000 in the space of 3 days. And you can see everything is verified on here at the moment. Obviously, it's public whilst I'm recording this, but I'm going to make it, so it's private, but I'm going to make it public when the video is released. You can see it's a real IC Markets account, 1 to 500 leverage. Here are the trades taken. You can see every single one of these is a winner. So there are no losses at all whatsoever on this challenge. Yeah, completed it within 3 days, 0 drawdown, 0 losses. You can go through and have a look. Now, what I'm going to do, let me go to the, you can see this here as well. This is MT5, same thing. You can see the profit. You can see everything on here. You can see that this was a nice buy position, my entry and where I got out. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found it entertaining. So just one thing that I want to say with this is that, don't think that this is an everyday occurrence in terms of I'm flipping accounts. That's not the case at all. So given that I'm a professional trader, I know what I'm doing. I know where my points of interest are. I know how to take my trades. I know how and when my edge plays out, and I know how to read price action. Now on this, I trade 3 pairs, but I've only had to trade EU. So that just shows you that one pair can pay you over and over and over again. So for all of you that are new to trading, please don't just try and flip your account. Obviously, I've done this for entertainment purposes. Normally what I do every day is I'll risk 1% to get 3% a day and look for around 15% a week, which equals about 60% a month. And I'm quite happy with that because then that's going to give me 720% a year on my higher funded accounts. So trade safe. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you've got any questions, head over to the Forex Trading Academy. You can contact me on there, put a comment below as well in the video. And yeah, this has been great. Really, really enjoyed it. What I'm trying to decide now is whether I keep going and then I get my 1,000 to 10,000, 10,000 to 100,000, and then 100,000 to 1 million, who knows? But one thing that I do know is if I did keep going like this, eventually I'd lose the account. And that's just me being completely honest. Just because you can't continue leveraging the amount I've leveraged and then not have a losing streak. So at the moment, I'm having a nice winning streak, which means later on down the line, the losses are going to have to come in, and that's just the reality of it. But if I did keep going the way that I've gone with this, I would probably, again, within a couple of weeks, lose the account. And that's just the reality of trading. So strict risk management from moving forward. And yeah, if you've got any questions, if you want to learn how to trade, then head over to my website, join the academy, get Discord access. We've got a great community there, hundreds of traders talking, sharing ideas, and learning the strategies exactly that I use on this to be profitable every single day. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and look out for my next video soon.